Tesla Giga Press. One of Tesla's latest GigaPress casting machines can be seen producing a massive casting of the Model Y rear body in a new video released by the company. Tesla expects to cast the Cybertruck using an 8,000-ton GigaPress, but it is not the most powerful machine IDRA has to offer. In an industry first, a 6,000-ton GigaPress is already being used to cast the Model Y in two parts. It is reported that a 12,000-ton GigaPress is in development, and it is capable of casting $25,000 Tesla small cars in one piece. We won't pretend to know anything about the die-casting machines, but we've discovered from our readers and those who are more knowledgeable about the technology that they don't weigh 6,000, 8,000, or 12,000 tons. That number, on the other hand, speaks to their capability. Since the spectacular party at Tesla's future Gigafactory in Berlin, delectable morsels of Tesla news have been quietly trickling out, as we highlighted earlier this week. People, rides, food, amusement, and games abound at the country fair. And while all of that is fascinating, the facts gleaned from the factory tours, Musk's comments, and other talks among Tesla fans, owners, and executives are even more fascinating. Alex Voigt, who runs a YouTube channel as well as a Twitter account, also shared information from the Tesla party. Several of the videos in those films relate to a tour of Tesla's Gigafactory in Germany. Tesla is going big on casting. Tesla has shifted its focus in recent years to casting technologies so that a greater number of sections can be formed at the same time. Tesla is developing dies, molds, assemblies, and castings for the automobile industry in collaboration with XCO Technologies Limited, a Canadian company, according to the CEO of the company. A major focus for Tesla has always been manufacturing efficiency, and the introduction of the GigaPress was one of their most successful products. Tesla's GigaPress is a large casting machine developed by the Italian company IDRA for casting the chassis and bodywork of its all-electric vehicles quickly and efficiently. For its gigafactories in Texas and Berlin, Tesla has teamed up with IDRA to create GigaPress machines. Tesla's Fremont factory in Northern California currently employs GigaPress machines. The 3D printed Tesla Model S and Model X have been given one-piece rear ends and one-piece front ends using two types of 6,000-ton GigaPresses. Currently, this manufacturing process is only used in the manufacturing of the Model Y. For the time being, Giga Berlin and Giga Texas will be the only locations to cast the front component, while parts at Shanghai and Fremont are being cast already. As part of preparation for beginning production, Giga Texas has started testing the GigaPress for front-end casting. We recently revealed that Tesla is now building the Model Y with a single massive rear underbody rather than the 70 components it used to have. Due to the Tesla GigaPress, which has been operating at the Fremont factory since last year, this is possible. It is made by the IDRA group in Italy, which is the first manufacturer to build such a machine. Between 55,000 and 61,000 kilonewtons, 5,600 to 6,200 tons, it has a clamping force of 5 to 6 times its own weight. In September, Tesla unveiled yet another of these huge machines at its Fremont facility. Many of those machines are reported to have been ordered by Tesla for new factories. Tesla recently received a GigaPress at Gigafactory, Texas, as we previously reported. They're characterized as the world's largest casting press machine, and Tesla is attempting to deploy as many as possible. Alex's source reports that IDRA's China KL is now working on a machine that has a clamping force of 12,000 tons that can cast an entire frame body in a single piece. The manufacturing of the body can be faster and easier with such a machine. A source claims that the production of this machine could reduce the time spent on car production by 25%. Additionally, downtime is expected to be reduced by 10%. According to Tesla's patent application entitled Multi-Directional Unibody Casting Equipment for a Vehicle Frame and Associated Methods, it describes a new casting machine that it hopes to cast a vehicle's bodywork in one piece. This type of casting machine enables reduction in the number of casting machines or castings needed to cast an entire vehicle frame, or nearly one. This technique is perfectly in line with Musk's vision for how Tesla automobiles should be manufactured. Making vehicles in the manufacturer's factories can be as simple as making toy cars thanks to the massive Giga Press. Tesla has released a new video of a Giga Press in action. Tesla CEO Elon Musk says that by going from 70 parts to one large one, the production line has been considerably streamlined, resulting in fewer than 300 robots needed. It also improves quality by reducing the number of variables involved in aligning many various portions of the body. To build such a massive part in one piece, the automaker will need to develop a new alloy. Tesla's next step is to use the same technology to build the front underbody of the chassis and connect it to the back with a structural battery pack. Gigafactory Berlin is scheduled to create the new body for the Model Y later this year.